Hey everyone, welcome back to CapitalX Finance, your home for smart money tips and tech-powered financial insights. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe right now.
Have you ever wondered how people grow their money while they sleep? The answer is often the stock market. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to start. Even if you are brand new, I'll explain step by step how the stock market works in the US and how beginners like you can start safely. What is the stock market? The stock market is simply a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks or shares. If you buy one share of Apple, you actually own a very tiny part of Apple. When the company does well and its value goes up, your share usually becomes more valuable. In the US, companies list their shares on big markets called exchanges. The most famous ones are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the NASDAQ. Think of it like a big supermarket. But instead of food items, you are shopping for company shares. Why do people invest? There are two main reasons. To grow money. Over time, the US stock market has gone up in value. Historically, long-term investors often see good returns. To beat inflation. If you just keep money in cash, it loses value as prices rise. Stocks help your money grow faster than inflation. How do you start as a beginner? Here's the simple roadmap. Pick a brokerage. A brokerage is just an app or website where you buy and sell stocks. In the US, popular ones are Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or E-Trade. Open an account. It's like opening a bank account. You fill in your details, verify your identity, and link your bank. Add money, transfer the amount you want to invest. You don't need thousands. Even $50 or $100 is enough to begin. Choose what to buy. Beginners usually start with ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are baskets of many companies together, so you don't put all your eggs in one basket. Example, the S&P 500 ETF, SPY or VOO, lets you own a tiny piece of 500 of America's biggest companies in one go. Buy your first stock or ETF. You place an order in the app. It's as easy as online shopping. What do you need to know? In very simple words, stock, piece of a company. Portfolio, your collection of stocks. Dividend. The company sometimes pays you extra money if it makes profit. Bull market. My market going up. Bear. Market nader, market going down. That's it. Don't stress about complicated words. Risks you must understand. The stock market can make you money, but it can also go down. Beginners should remember, prices move every day. Don't panic when they fall. Don't put all your savings in one company. Start small and invest money you won't need immediately. Think long-term. Quick rich plans usually fail. A simple beginner's strategy. If you are totally new, here's a safe way to begin. Put most of your money, 70–80%, into an S&P 500 ETF. Use the rest, 20 to 30%, to buy a few companies you like and believe in. For example, Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. Keep adding money regularly. Even small amounts like $50 every month over time, your investments will grow because of compounding. This means your money makes more money, and that money makes even more money. Example to understand. Let's say you invest $500 into an S&P 500 ETF. If the market grows about 8% per year, which is close to its long-term average, then in 10 years, your $500 could grow to around $1,000. If you keep adding a little each month, the growth will be even bigger. This is how ordinary people build wealth slowly but surely. Mistakes beginners should avoid. Don't chase hot tips. If someone tells you, buy this stock, it will double tomorrow. Be careful. Don't put all money in one stock. Spread it out. Don't try to time the market. Nobody knows the perfect day to buy or sell. Don't panic, sell. Short-term drops are normal. Quick recap stock or owning a piece of a company. Start with a brokerage account. Begin small. ETFs are safest for beginners. Be patient, think long-term. Avoid emotional decisions. The stock market may look scary at first, but in reality, it's one of the best ways to grow wealth in the US. The key is to start simple, start small, and think long-term. Don't worry about being perfect on day one. What matters is beginning your journey. So, are you ready to own a piece of America's biggest companies? Take that first step today. Open an account, invest a little, and let your money start working for you. Your future self will thank you.
That's it for today from CapitalX Finance. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more smart money and tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.